Nagbakasyon sa Korea si Andy Eigenman, kasamang anak ng si Ellie at iba pang miyembro ng Eigenman family. Kamusta naman kaya ito? Andy Eigenman, anong ganap?
Oh, sobrang saya po. Sobrang enjoy si Ellie, lalo na si Ellie. And yeah, being with my whole family, ang saya. Parang isang break muna bago go back to work, diba?
Pag-amin din ni Andy, mas marami na mga naka-line up na travel plans nilang mag-ina ngayon, lalo't mabilis na lumalaki ang kanyang anak.
I've always loved to travel. Actually, before I had Ellie, dun ko lang ginagastos lahat ng pera ko. Pero, syempre, now that I have Ellie, iba na, cut down yung expenses. But then, now that she's 3, I've realized I can also teach her and raise her to be appreciative of not just what she sees in her surroundings, but to actually explore and look at the rest of the world. And I'm so happy that she's sharing that same passion and love that I am. So, lagi ko siya kasama.
Kinamusta rin ng anong ganap ang dating collab team ni Andy Eigenman na si Brett Jackson. Handa na kaya ang binata na makatrabaho uli si Andy na dati ring na-link sa kanya? Brett Jackson, anong ganap?
It's easy because I mean we know each other. Tagal na, mga 1 year na eh. So it's easy to be around each other. Siyempre masaya. I mean, who wouldn't? I'm lucky enough to work with Andy. Ganda naman ni Andy.